Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see the Excel part, like how to do pivot if you want some data from the large number of data. Like here you can see I have this data with number of rows. So I want some data, like I have clients. So in that client, for particular client, what is the amount for the particular year? So I want this data from this Excel sheet. So how we can do that? Let's see that. So first you have to open your sheet. Then you have to select all the data which is present in your Excel sheet. So I have selected all the data. Then go to insert. Then here you can see one pivot table option. Then click on that. Then click on pivot table range. So the range which we select, it will take that. Or the second option is all data. So we will take the range. Now here you have to click on OK. So it will create the new sheet. So what data you want? So I want in my rows client details. So what I'll do, I'll select the client and I just drop in rows. So you can see when I select the client and drop in this, you have to drag and drop this. So I have to drag the client option and enter in, like drop in rows. Now in values, or in, first of all, in column I want the year. So I'll take year, just drag this year and drop in column. So you can see we got our year value here. Now in this table I want the values or amount. So what I will do, I'll just pick the amount and click on values. So you can see our all data is here. So in this way you can do the pivot. So I got the all company, like client name, year, and in that year how many amount it gain, that amount I got. So if I don't want that much data, so I just want the client name and the amount. So what I'll do, I'll just select all the data, then I'll go in insert, then I'll click on pivot table, then from table and range, then I'll click on OK. Now I just, what I want the client name and the amount. So I'll select in rows client. So I'll just drag this client and drop in rows. So I'll get the all client names here. Now I just want the amount of that client. So what I'll do, I'll just drag the amount and drop in values. So for that particular client, what will be the amount will show here. This is the one way to do pivot. Then next, I just want this client name and this region. So what I'll do, I'll just select all my data, then I'll go to insert, then pivot table, then click on this from table range. Now click on OK. So what we want in our data, my client and region. So what I'll take, the client I'll take in rows and region I'll take in values. So for this particular client we have 24 region. So these are the data, and total we have 741 region count. So this is the one way you can take. So if I want the client and quarter details, so for that what I'll do, I'll select all the column, then go to insert, click on pivot table, then from range, then click on OK. So what we want, the client name and its quarter. So what I'll take, so now I want client name in column. So what I'll do, I'll just pick this client and drop in column. So I'll get all the clients in column. Now what I want, the quarter values I want. So I'll just take the quarter value and drop in values. So for this particular client, these are the quarter. For this client, this is the quarter. So in this way you can do the pivot in Excel.